I want to talk about Bitcoin. And not my opinion, not what another person thinks, but probably the truth. And if you don't like the truth, maybe this video is not for you, but I'm going to give you an honest perspective, an honest analysis, if you will. Now, we've seen some really crazy stuff happening with Bitcoin lately. Obviously, the media is making the most noise. Congratulations. It's really important that the media does its job. Let's have a look what happened. Elon Musk loses 15 billion in a day after Bitcoin warning. You read this article and you probably think, wow, he should have not bought Bitcoin in the first place because he lost money. That's how it sounds, how it reads, right? But it's not about that actually. What happened here is that, yes, Elon Musk did buy $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, is I think the amount he purchased. Now, the sell-off here that you see, the $15 billion lost. Now, what they're talking about is Tesla's stock value, okay? And first of all, it's incorrect. It was not 15 billion because what happens when the price tanks? What happens? It bounces back up, right? So they did measure it at the low point of the day, I think, because the number is not accurate because it tanked on Monday, right? Which is not too long ago. And it was the 22nd, by the way. I'm sorry, it tanked on the 23rd, actually. It tanked, okay? It was trading at 717 and it tanked down. The low point was $621. It bounced back up to 700. Guess what? 620 to 700, that's a 20% increase. And now we're again at 736. But what do I think about Elon Musk's involvement in Bitcoin? What do I think about his involvement in Dogecoin? You know, a lot of times entrepreneurs or companies, they make a lot of noise because they want to make money. He wants to be more diversified. That's another point. And we don't know how much money he put into Bitcoin, how much of his own money. I'm not talking about the company's money. I'm talking about his own personal money. We don't know. Guys, I mean, it's not just Tesla that tanked. It's the whole stock market that tanked. Plus, Tesla was extremely overvalued to begin with. So you cannot blame, I mean, that's what the media is doing. You cannot blame that one day drop for everything. You just can't, because the whole market tanked. So how much of that was really contributed by Bitcoin? Some of it, but not everything. And what I really hate about the media is that they can't be honest about it. They always exaggerate. They exaggerate everything. So be aware of that. Now let me give you another article to analyze here, which is by a person that you know, Yellen. Yellen yelled again. Yellen yelled again. She did. Yellen sounds warning about extremely inefficient Bitcoin. She is the secretary of the Treasury. The Treasury secretary made an announcement that Bitcoin is not a safe investment for you. Bitcoin is a really bad idea. Does that make sense? Oh, there's something else. The Federal Reserve seriously contemplates coming up with its own cryptocurrency, a US dollar token, a cryptocurrency by the Federal Reserve. Now, what do they want from us? They want to control us. That's what they want. That's all they want. Media and governments, they want to control us. If you think anything else, you're crazy. If you found it useful, click the like button. It would help me out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. If you want to subscribe to receive notifications when I upload the next video on cryptocurrencies, on making money online, other topics related to finance, then subscribe below. There's a red subscribe button. Click on that, turn on the notification bell to never miss any alert. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.